Welcome to our Python tutorial. In this video, we will dive into the basic syntax of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, this video will guide you through the essential elements of Python syntax. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Understanding the basic syntax is crucial for writing effective Python code. So, let's jump right in and explore the fundamental aspects of Python syntax. 1. Comments. Comments in Python are used to add explanations, notes, or documentation within your code. They are ignored by the Python interpreter and have no impact on the program's execution. In Python, there are two types of comments. Single-line comments. Single-line comments begin with the hash symbol, hash, and continue until the end of the line. They are typically used to provide brief explanations or clarify specific lines of code. Example: hash this is a single-line comment. Multi-line comments. Multi-line comments, also known as block comments, are enclosed within triple quotation marks, or triple double quotation marks. They can span multiple lines and are commonly used for longer explanations or to temporarily disable a block of code. Example: this is a multi-line comment. It can span multiple lines. Comments are essential for making your code more readable and understandable, especially for yourself and other programmers who might work with your code in the future. 2. Variables and data types. Variables in Python are used to store data values. Before using a variable, you need to declare it by assigning a value to it. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't have to explicitly specify the variable's data type. It is determined based on the assigned value. Python supports several data types, including strings, represented by placing the text within single quotes or double quotes. Strings are used to store textual data. Example: name equals John. John is a string. Integers, used to represent whole numbers, positive or negative, without any decimal points. Example: age equals 25. 25 is an integer. Floats, used to represent numbers with decimal points. Example: rating equals 4.5. 4.5 is a float number. Booleans, represents a logical value of either true or false. Booleans are used for decision-making and control flow in conditional statements. Example: is _new equals true. By using variables and different data types, you can store and manipulate various types of information in your Python programs. 3. Conditional statements, if-else. Conditional statements in Python allow you to make decisions based on certain conditions. The most common type of conditional statement is the if-else statement, which allows you to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition is true or false. The syntax of an if-else statement is as follows. If condition. Hashcode it execute if the condition is true. Else. Hashcode it execute if the condition is false. Here's an example. Temperature equals 25. If temperature greater than 30, print it's hot. Elif temperature greater than 20, print it's warm. Else, print it's cold. In this example, the program checks the value of the temperature variable. If the temperature is greater than 30, it prints it's hot. If it's not, it checks the next condition. If the temperature is greater than 20, it prints it's warm. Otherwise, if neither condition is true, it prints its code. Conditional statements help control the flow of your program, enabling you to execute different code blocks based on specific conditions. By understanding and utilizing these syntax elements effectively, you can write more readable, flexible, and powerful Python code. Congratulations! You've learned some basics of Python syntax. These concepts are the building blocks that will enable you to write powerful, efficient Python programs. Now, it's time to practice and explore further on your Python programming journey. Stay curious and keep coding. Thank you for joining us in this Python tutorial. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation in Python syntax. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Remember, the world of Python programming is vast, so keep learning and coding. Until next time, happy coding!